guys, welcome back to the video. So guys, I uploaded a video after a long time, approximately 3 months. So I won't be uploading any videos from now. I'll be mostly uploading shorts. You can see I'll be uploading after some days. It will be recent only. So in Scratch there are two types of 3D which I'll explain. So without wasting any time, let us go to explanation part. Okay guys, when it comes to 3D in Scratch, there are two types. One is single costume 3D and one is, yeah, you can say two, too many, two or many costume 3D. Okay, in this first one, single costume 3D which I have written as SC3D, it means it has only one costume. For example, the default sprite in Scratch or any sprite which has only one costume. Even if it has many, you can delete the other one and keep the one which you want. And in two or many costume 3D, in this you can't use Scratch sprites because they have like walking, running and all, which will not work. It will cause something glitchy. For this, you can do example building, which I'll explain. And in single one, I'll explain you. In single one, I'll explain you about get the default sprite and here what they say, yeah, building. Okay. So without wasting any time, let us move to our working guys. Here we are on our work screen. So here everybody knows what's the first thing you need to put is in a Scratch project, which is our, yeah, very friendly when green flag clicked. So as usual, we'll take a forever loop, obviously. Then here take point towards mouse pointer. Then create a new block called 3D creator and click it to run without screen refresh. So next, keep this at the side. Take this block and keep it here. So do not touch this at all. So here we are going to do the work. So first we need to add this, which means it has something to do with this tree. Guess it's this. Now here it is. So now first we need to take erase, which will clear. We are using this because the previous ones which we already drew, we got. Okay, so now go to 0, 0. This is like important for many projects. Then repeat the text which is already here. Okay, this will be the height. I'll explain you later. Now take the stem block, then change y by 1. Where are you? Here. Change y by only 1. Here you can see it's working. But here you can see the height. You can change this height here. I want the height as 20. Change it. It changed. Here you can change it however you want. So this one was for a single costume 3D. So next I'm going to explain you about many multi-costume 3D. So okay, and here now create a new sprite and go to drawing. So now you need to exactly draw this. 102 by 102 pixels. I better say that press shift and drop. It should be, yes, 102 by 102, which I will change it. You can take it of any size, but this size is better. Let me just remove this all. Okay, now just press shift, then draw. This much is enough. Don't need to disturb it. Now we'll take a gray, and I'll take it as 0069. We'll pass to leave it 0069. Done. So this will be the basic one. So we'll just remove this outline. We are done with it. So the next one is a bit sketchy to do. Okay, it's a bit simple, but I'll show you. So draw another one. Now make a big same gray square. Just copy it from here. Copy. Now paste it here. So here you will need to draw rectangles of yellow. So the yellow color will be 15, 100, 100. So here it's 100. Now go to 15. This is the yellow. Yeah, this is the exact yellow. Now we'll draw rectangles like this. Like this, you need to place it here. Now, after placing it right here, copy it, then again paste it and keep it a bit below. Now we'll do it again and paste it here. Let us move this a bit up. Okay, done. Now let me just do this a bit up or down. Yeah, this is tricky actually. Let me take it to down. Yeah, it's better that you first align this one. Then find this corner and move it till there. And done. So this part is done. So now we'll take this, paste this here. Now change its color to this gray. Done. So now we'll make it slanting, extending. Now keep it here. Minutes. So you don't need this color only. It is yellow. Now keep it here. Now again paste it. Now turn it again. Yep. It's better that if it is standing. The accurate the better. So now we are done with this. Yeah, it might look a bit confusing, but you get adjusted to it after you draw it sometimes. Okay, now to do this, we have created a costume, a second one. Okay, now here, does anybody remember we made a block which is called, which will be 3D creator. And wait, this one don't forget. This is very important. Yeah. Now this is confusing, but okay. Now under 3D creator, put erase all, go to 00. Where are you? 00? Here. 0, 0. then repeat by, where are you? Yeah, here repeat it by 5. Under that, again you need to put it by, repeat by 5, like this. So this will be the floor of the building. And here, this part, we'll again need how many? Here, 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Done. So here, these single ones, this one is for the part without building, the first one. Then the second one will be the part with windows. The last one will be for the ceiling. So here we'll keep all at 5 except the second one. We'll keep the second one as 20. So now for the non-window part we'll take fetch costume to costume 1. Then change y by 1. Now then stamp. Yeah. Now just copy this and stuff it here. Just with the difference of here you need to change it to costume 2. Then you change y by 1. Then take this, duplicate, keep here, just with the difference of stamp. Change y by 1. Change y by 1. So here, there's something left. There's nothing left actually. We here also need change y by 1. And we need to move this switch costume to before starting of repeat 20. Only this apply for this one. And for the ceiling we need to keep it here, not inside the switch, outside at the end. So now, then finally we need to code this. Okay, we are doing this a bit from ending to start, but it works. You can do from here, then here. Yes, not take a forever view, point to mouse pointer as usual. You can change this to anything. Turn left side to 90 degrees. Then start 3D creation. Or 3D creation. Just rename. The better its name, the better we feel. Done. Or else done. Okay, something glitched. Which is 555 stamp. Yeah. Okay guys, here I forgot to change it to costume one. Then still by. Okay, here I did. Here you should not take 0, 0. It should be 150. Actually, it should not even be this. It should be. Yeah, it's 0, 0 only. Okay, let me just. Okay. 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 Repeat 5, repeat 20, repeat 5. Then here it should be. Oh guys, yes. It should not be this, it should be minus 100. Now still y. Okay. Archie. Okay, here I took random position mouse pointer. Y. Oh, if this happens, we had put to go to, it should be pointing direction. Now it should work. Yeah. If we change its location to 0, so it's like this. Yeah. It's not correct because the drawing is not correct, but I'll fix it in a flash of a second. And a flash starts. Okay, guys. So the problem here was the difference between the costume 2 and the costume 1 should be by the difference of 1 pixel. Here it is 102 into 102. While here it is 103 into 103. Well, see here. It is 0, 0. Yeah, it's perfectly fine. So, yeah, that is for today's video. So, please smash the like button, and if you see down there is a red button with subscribe, please hit that. It will be a great effort towards it because I currently have 16 viewers only. So, thank you for watching.